Viruses are invisible, but do great harm to health. We are surrounded by millions of pathogens. Viruses can be killed with ozone. However, it damages the human lungs. Ultraviolet light can be used, but this is dangerous for people's health and should be used in their absence. And there are always untreated shadow areas. In nature, the sun generates ions that kill viruses and bacteria. ductFIT replicates this by eliminating pathogens naturally. This product is certified by laboratories and is already used by hospitals and companies. It is installed inside the air duct, generating ions that destroy viruses in the air and on surfaces. The IoT system allows you to monitor the equipment for its correct operation. It can be used in any commercial, industrial, or domestic premises. Contact us to know more.